Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Verify battery resting voltage and visible condition. Use a multimeter set to DC volts. Place red to positive, black to negative. If voltage reads below 12, 4V, charge or load test the battery first, because a weak battery skews charging readings. While you're at it, clean loose corrosion and tighten terminals. Poor connections hide real problems. Once done, leave the multimeter connected so you can measure changes when you start the engine and proceed to live tests. With the engine running, measure battery voltage again. You should see about 13, 8 to 14, 8 volts. That proves the alternator and regulator are producing charge. Rev to 2,000 RPM and watch for stability. Voltage should stay steady, not spike or drop dramatically. Now add loads, headlights, blower, rear defogger, and confirm voltage holds under demand. If voltage falls below 13V under load, suspect alternator output, belt slip, or a failing regulator. Make notes for the diagnostic step. Now perform the detailed diagnostic. Measure AC ripple at the battery with the engine running. Less than about 50 MV AC means diodes are okay. Higher ripple indicates diode failure. Inspect the drive belt for glazing or 1/2-inch deflection per spec and verify pulleys spin freely. If the alternator fails these tests, replace or rebuild it. If the regulator is external, swap or bench test it. Troubleshooting tip: if replacement doesn't solve it, recheck grounds and fusible links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.